somna future da kari tawduno have a question ja dum hangbiyo somda ko kari haina answer pirake na hangbiyo sida. It's not about me, it's about you, my friend. The only reason why I'm saying to you is ko entertainment khari yengaga khoi punsi je yadra ngatangi wathi waram khari yengaga khoi punsi je adman sum tawlo sen gidoro baba. Hi everyone, my name is Thokchom Surmangol Singh. I'm the founder of Thokchom and I'm on the mission to help you, to teach you the modern new way of education to develop your skill set by using my 5 pillars of success. So, ma'am, ai punsida nahaki punsida ko future da karigumba amdi soida maki oni amgani ba. Hosi internet ki landscape chida yang pamatanda I've been working this for the last 8 years. Sidigi internet ki landscape chida aina thabak torok pojida 3-4 years ki mamang de kozi entertainment da pazana ngawi ko ma'am. It's a report from the advertising companies ma'am they go. Let's say from Facebook, from Google ko. Sida aina mainly tawba hai taragadi CNEs de torok matamda reports ma'am. Matamam da entertainment gi ads kitang taw matamda ma'am gi impression likes ko manja aduki mutik lai ko. Aduga hujikna mu kai dawge ha matamda koi miyoi bagi psychology kitang ko world kitang change story. Talk pusi kamain to geda entertainment have a poche huji yara roi ma ko khale dum sirani ko social media company ge su khale share kani entertainment to mams. It's not any entertainment haraga akhoi gi music industry da natte go mam aina hajai siba entertainment se di ngatangi wathi waram to bam leidana mi gi attention chap chap long capture to buja hujik matamam da di ko yara roi. Advertising companies book the fellow do gi hujik ko si landscape amon lai kanna ma'am ko ma'am section view aduna huji akhoi gi young generation especially youth da khoi laibi ba chino ma'am se moi du filter ngani ba entertainment khatan di ma'am yaroi ko khoi wathi orang mi ngatang nok pe khot pe ko no joi sabi khot pe ko loina mo respect to but ko kharam madi huji adugi form da laktre ba kharam na ka si madi ai tamge ne sim de ai kanai ne sim de ai toge mine sick to room no in la logic si ma'am. Ko aduna yargadi ma'am knowledge so nungti tanjan view ko if you really wanted to do something in your future seek your knowledge every single day, learn something new every single day. Aduga paisa tange na hai tari internet ta paisa tange hai tari nahak na nangi goal setting amtang tormo ba tha kya sida nupa thokna ai thabak thoke ko tha thok sida smana nangi deadline am thamo aduna traged ma'am sunga yaroi ko 3 months target 6 months target nang na pomjari report a simple example of maram gave internet ta huzik matam da paisa talake hai targadi you need to add some values miyoi begi life from the values pbo ba adi matam nang na taseng na ko care to wir ba nangi any form of audience was no nang thamoi seng na ki any industry ni go ya ko sida nang personal branding company branding same rasu ai icham chamban hak tuna kanagumba amagi punsida value pibio my life to the karigumba kharta orju kanan bio ko thamoi sengna ko tha thurki manung na hak satan da bro. I'm telling you from my own experience aina Manipur da just ko 3-4 months sida aina coaching talk pada ai student me am coaching talk pada moi gi problem re pisana khange kari problem no have adu me am the pure value thada bidana copy daroga I also make some good money. Oh, nahak su to bi ai sidai da ai di pesa pai de adu tok de ada tok de just lock am to matamama lock to ro 6 months to gabra 3 months to gabra chahi ma to gabra ko sidai da mingon the value thada ba tammo sidage ko this is the most important strategy in any form of business. Try to add value, nothing else. I'm telling you, this is the most important ai the mukta best strategy hayo hai targadi add values ko kana gum amada values pbo you will earn money my friend ko entertainment khari yanga matamang lornu knowledge oina thada biro ma'am jiktegi knowledge su tambiro ko si hek to bio thadro you will earn money, I promise you. So thank you everyone. If you like this video, click the link below to this video and I'll see you inside my screen. Thank you guys, take care. See you channel se ma'am yaradi subscribe to biro like to so na pam any question related to digital marketing ma'am drop over more. I'll see you in next video. Thank you everyone, appreciate it.